Hi everyone, it's your girl Tina Olise. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video I am going to be taking you through how I put these beads in my twist. So click on that subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a video. In my last video, in the previous video I uploaded, I showed you guys how I did this chunky twist and a lot of people really loved this style and I am happy you guys loved it. But I got a request on how to put this bead, so here you have it. I use this bobby pin because it makes everything so easy. This elastic band is actually optional. I didn't use it, but I just decided to put it as an option in case you want it. See how I actually did it. I don't know how to explain it, but just watch and see how I did it. You see how easy it is. You see how easy my hair just passes through beads so easily. And this is how I did my how I use my hair to secure the beads. It is very simple. Just keep on watching and you'll see the different ways I do it. But I like this one because you can see how easy it is for me to take it off my hair, and little to no, I don't think there's any breakage in this. So this is me putting it again. Can you see it? Keep on watching to just see how I do it. You can use this method to add as many beads as you want conveniently and so easily. So this is another way of securing it. When you have multiple beads, you could just use your hair to secure the last one so the others can easily flow and move and have this free feel whatsoever. And this is another method again. You could use your hair, just make sure you have enough chunk of hair below so that it's thick enough that the bead won't actually pass through it, because if you take so little hair, number one, your hair is going to get tangled up and you're going to see your beads falling off. This is how I put the cowries. You can see how this is. Just watch and see how I do the bobby pin through the cowrie with the rubber band, and you see how I secure it to the cowries first, then I just tie it onto my hair. It's that simple. I just tie it twice so it's not that tight. The more you actually tighten it, the harder it is for you to take it down, because I'm very conscious when it comes to adding accessories to my hair, because those things can cause little minor breakage. So make sure it's not too tight. You could go 1, 2 times or 3 times depending on how thick your twists are, and then before I put my own beads, and that is it. It's very simple. It is that simple. The thing about using this my method is your hair at some point could actually loosen from the beads, but I am comfortable with it because it is very safe. My hair is not going to experience any breakage and the takedown is very easy. So you can decide what method you want to use. Thank you so much for watching this video and every of my other videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on TikTok and on Facebook. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I still remember your girl Tina Olise, your #1 natural educator, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.